First, you'll need to sign up on the OpenAI website. This is a simple process, and you just need to sign up with your email and some basic information. Once you're signed up, you can start using ChatGPT. There are several programming languages that you can use to access ChatGPT, including Python, JavaScript, and more. I recommend using Python as it's easy to use and it's widely supported in the community. To use ChatGPT, you'll need to input a prompt, which is the text that you want ChatGPT to generate. You can also specify other parameters, such as the length of the generated text and the temperature of the model. Temperature will affect the creativity of the generated text. A lower temperature will make the generated text more similar to the input text, and a higher temperature will make the generated text more creative and unpredictable. In simple terms, temperature is a value that controls the degree of randomness or creativity of the output generated by the model. A low temperature will lead to a more conservative, predictable output that is similar to the input, while a high temperature will lead to more creative and varied output that deviates more from the input. Once you've input your prompt and parameters, ChatGPT will generate text based on the input you provided. You can then use this generated text in your projects, such as creating an AI-generated article, story, or even a script. Just like I did, I created a freelancing gig and started making money with chat by writing blogs and articles for clients. And say it at an Amazon seller store and started selling ebooks and books. That's it. With just a few simple steps, you can start using ChatGPT to generate high-quality, unique text. Remember, you can always find more information and tutorials on the OpenAI website. And you can also check the documentation for more details on how to use the API. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.